Hey guys, welcome back to the 12 days of Christmas KAL giveaway. I want you guys to know that most, or if not all, of the prizes have been claimed, and that makes me really happy. Okay, so Jordan's not here with me today because we are actually helping someone move today, and actually I'm taking a quick break from doing that just so that I can get this video out to you guys. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and announce who is the 8th day winner for the 12 days of Christmas KAL. Okay, and the winner is number 39, Knitology. Congratulations! Awesome. So let me tell you what you have won. You are going to receive these 2 skeins from one of my Knit Crate subscriptions. It is the Knitology is the brand, and it is a worsted weight yarn. It is 40% superwash merino, 30% silk, and 30% alpaca, and it's 150 yards for 1 skein, so you get a total of 300 yards. How about that? Awesome. So you'll also receive the catalog for Knit Crate, so you can look at the knitting patterns and the crochet patterns as well. You will also receive, I hope you are a tea drinker, you will also receive all of these teas in your prize package as well. And you will receive this cute little charm, which is the yarn, a picture of a yarn, and you can use it as a progress keeper or for whatever you want it to be. And last but not least, everyone is receiving these nice woven bags for you to put anything in them that you want. So congratulations again, Knitology. Get in contact with me, and tomorrow is going to be day 9. So stay tuned. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.